May bago ng commandant ang Philippine Coast Guard o PCG, si Ronnie Hill Gavan. Inappoint ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. si Gavan para palitan si Admiral Artemio Abu na nagretiro na matapos ang higit 30 taon sa pampublikong serbisyo. Sa change of command and retirement ceremony nung Huwebes, na-promote si Gavan bilang Admiral mula Vice Admiral. Sabi ni Gavan, pagtitibayin niya ang tungkulin ng PCG sa maritime safety at security, maritime search and rescue, maritime law enforcement at marine environment protection. Nangako rin siyang ipagpapatuloy at paiigtingin ang nasimulan ng aksyon sa pagprotekta ng West Philippine Sea.
As the Commandant of the Coast Guard, I will never issue any directive that will cause us to lose even a centimeter of our territory and jurisdiction.
Ani naman ni Abu, mas tumapang ang PCG sa ilalim ng kanyang pamumuno.
We have collectively provided a glimmer of hope to those in distress situations at sea. To overseas Filipino workers we assisted during the pandemic, to Filipino fishermen at sea whom we are providing comfort and protection, and to every Filipino in the coastal communities relying to the bounties of the sea. Everything that we have accomplished were made possible because of the cooperative effort of the entire Philippine Coast Guard family.
Pinuri ni Transportation Secretary Jaime Bautista ang appointment ni Gavan at binigyan ito ng 10 marching orders, kabilang na ang paglaban sa korupsyon at ang pagpapanatiling simple ng mga official function.
You are not facing just issues of territorial intrusions or oil spills or sea collisions. You must address and look at biofuels, marine pollution, modern shipping technology, and other evolving challenges.
Si Gavan ang ika-30 commandant ng PCG. Deniza Fernandez, CNN Philippines.